Underscore. 1. The root, noon, iu, ra, nwr. Approximately 100 words in the Noble Quran derive from this root. Examples include al-nar, a-on-nar, fire or flame; al-nur, a-on-nur, blossoms or flowers; al-nuwa, a-on-nur, light, as the opposite of darkness. The core meaning of this root suggests a transparent delicacy or a sharp radiance that penetrates or leaves an effect through something, like fire with its intensity, or light shining through a tree. Other derived meanings. Al-nawr, panic or terror. The phrase bayna naira means, there is enmity or hostility between them. The word nuwa, light, appears in the Quran with multiple meanings. 1. Physical light, as in, and He made the darknesses and the light. Quran 2. Spiritual light, referring to Allah the Exalted. Allah is the light of the heavens and the earth. Quran 3. Figurative or illuminating clarity, meaning manifest truth, an essential function of light, which reveals and illuminates.